Genie cloth reviews. Does this cleaning cloth actually work? Looking for a reusable cleaning cloth that can remove fingerprints, dust, and streaks with just water? Genie cloth is designed for exactly that, but does it really deliver? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Genie cloth is a reusable microfiber cleaning cloth designed for smooth surfaces such as windows, mirrors, stainless steel, appliances, and car glass. The main idea is simple: wet the cloth, wring out the excess water, and wipe the surface without needing a separate cleaning spray. One of its biggest advantages is convenience. The cloth is reusable and washable, so you can use it repeatedly instead of relying on paper towels or disposable wipes. Its microfiber construction is designed to pick up dirt and moisture while helping reduce streaks and lint. For everyday cleaning, that can make it useful for fingerprints, dust, light marks, and water spots. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. A cleaning cloth won't replace a proper cleaner for every situation, especially when dealing with grease, heavy buildup, or stubborn stains. Results can also depend on how you use it. Using too much water or not properly wringing the cloth can leave behind marks, particularly on glass and mirrors. Another thing to consider is that similarly named or imitation products may be available from different sellers, so quality can vary. So, is Genie cloth worth buying? If you want a simple, reusable option for everyday cleaning and prefer using less cleaning product, it can be a practical choice. But if you're expecting a single cloth to handle every type of dirt and stain, you'll probably need additional cleaning products. Overall, Genie cloth is best viewed as a convenient, reusable cleaning tool, not a miracle cleaner. Its biggest strengths are simplicity, reusability, and easy everyday cleaning. If you wanted to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what product you'd like to see next.